Hello everyone, today we will be talking about peanuts, the crop. A peanut is a legume, in other words a bean with a woody tan shell that splits apart easily, and a semi-hard edible seed with a reddish-brown covering. There are a large variety of different types of peanuts, each with a different disease tolerance and yield. The four main groups are the runner peanut, the Virginia peanut, Spanish peanut, and the Valencia peanut. The Virginia peanut is referred to as the best variety due to its large size and taste. The peanut is native to central western South America in this little area right here. The peanut is a result of Arachis arurensis and Arachis ipensis, two different wild species of peanut, crossbreeding. Initially this hybrid was supposed to be sterile, but thanks to spontaneous chromosome doubling and a bunch of other fancy gene and DNA stuff, the seed was fertile. The oldest archaeological remains of a pod has been dated to be at least 7,600 years old. Pre-Columbian cultures drew and depicted peanuts in their art. Peanut cultivation was already well established in the ancient Mesoamericas even before the Spanish arrived. Then, the Spanish arrived, and then they saw a funny little woody oval thing called Chalacahuatl on sale in the markets. The Spanish brought the funny little nut back home, and then they spread it worldwide. Peanuts were then introduced to the US and were mainly used as a garden crop. They were used for animal livestock for a while, with human consumption only growing in the 1930s. George Washington Carver pioneered most peanut innovation, with him discovering that planting peanuts after so many rounds of planting cotton would help the soil, and made several products out of peanuts, one product being nitroglycerin. The first form of peanut butter was first made by a Canadian man in Montreal, which he called peanut paste. Peanut butter gained more popularity in St. Louis World Fair in 1904. Then, the USDA, U.S. Department of Agriculture, launched a program to encourage peanut cultivation in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Peanuts are high in food, energy, and essential nutrients and an excellent source of fiber, vitamin E, several B vitamins, and polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats. Peanut allergies are the only bad part of a peanut and can lead to anaphylaxis, which is your immune system flooding your body with chemicals and antibodies leading into a shock if it's untreated. You can boil peanuts, roast peanuts, eat them raw, eat them as peanut butter, turn them into oil, or even turn them into flour. Peanuts grow best in light sandy loam soil with pH levels scaling from 5.9 to 7. There isn't much of a need to fertilize them as they make their own nitrogen like all legumes do. If the peanut is being affected by severe drought or improper storing, the peanut can be infected by the fungus Aspergillus flavus, which can produce carcinogenic substances known as aflatoxins. It is suggested to plant peanuts every 3 to 4 years to decrease risk of certain funguses spreading to your crop, preventing too many weeds, and to avoid adding too much nitrogen to the soil.